This is the snapshot case, and it's by Largo, and it came out not too long ago, and I picked it up because this is actually a very cool accessories. Because how many times has this happened where you lost your AirPods somewhere and you spend time and time trying to find them, because the AirPods featured in the Find My app only works when the AirPods are out of their cases. When they're all together in one solid case, good luck finding them because they're deactivated. It's just gonna mark the last known location you actually were listening to music with your AirPods. Well, this accessory solves that issue, so long as you actually own an AirTag that you could actually use and pair with this entire case altogether. This is basically the packaging, and it's just a silicone case really. You just simply open it up, remove out the packaging, snap the AirPods in, and it has this weird thing on top. I guess it's supposed to look like a camera, which is quite nice. I'm not complaining or anything like that, but it is something different. And you just slip on the AirPods just like so, and there's actually a dust guard right down here, so this port down here will always stay clean, away from any debris. And you just simply slide in the AirPods in, make sure the lid is on tight. There's a plane flying over above, give me a couple of seconds. Alright, plane is away, lid closes just fine, no issues here. Place the AirPods in, or AirTags in I should say, and there you go. It's definitely a unique looking case. Bulkiness, slightly bulkier than your traditional AirPods silicone case, but it does offer the good amount of protection that's needed. I like the fact that you can put like a carabiner right here on the side, and putting it in and out of your pocket isn't much of a big deal. Hassle. It does sometimes hits this little part, but the AirPod and the AirTag itself, it's nice and tucked inside. Right here it says designed by Elgato in California for AirTags. I thought that was really interesting. And the pair button back here on the AirPod case is easy to access still, which is quite nice. And then you have these little blank buttons that don't do anything, they're just there for looks. All in all, great case. If you're just like me who always loses their AirPods somewhere around, awesome method to track it, and it's fairly minimum to the point where it's really easy to carry around. No issues here whatsoever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a quick video. Don't worry, this will be featured once more in an accessory video for the AirPods Pro coming out in the near future. If you'd like to see that, make sure you are subscribed. And if you got some useful information out of the video, greatly appreciate if you guys leave a like as well. And in the description, we'll hold the link to where you can find these products right there, so they're literally a click away. Thanks so much for watching again. Take care, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.